I spoke to Mr. Anthony, who was a defense minister under the UPA, and he mentioned to me that an operation of this nature is a top secret operation, and the way these operations are designed, only the top brass knows the mission. Meaning, until the pilots take off, even they don't know the mission. Who knows the mission? The Prime Minister, Defense Minister, Home Minister, NSA, and the Air Force Chief. Those are the 5 people, according to our Defense Minister. I asked him, who would know about this mission? And he said there are 5 people. The 5 I mentioned. Now the question is, who out of the 5 people has told this journalist about the Balakot mission? And why has that person put our Air Force pilots at risk? If this is available to a journalist, if it is on WhatsApp, I'm sure forces that are interested in this information, enemy forces, can also access this. So I'm asking a very simple question. Why is it that there is no inquiry? These 5 people know. Somebody out of these 5 has told a journalist. If it is not the Prime Minister, why is he not ordered an inquiry and said treason has taken place? Somebody out of these 5 people has put the Indian nation, the Indian Air Force at risk. I want to find out who it is. Why has he not done that? Because that's the first thing the Prime Minister would. The only reason he's not done that is because he is involved in this type of leaking of information.
Sir, you think that he has breached Congress and do you think that he has some issues going on?
Well, the fact that this information is on WhatsApp and this gentleman knows 3 days before, of course Official Secret Act has been breached. The act has been breached by one of those 5 people, and also by this person who is busy telling somebody else. So absolutely it is a breach of Secrets Act. Now, would you like that?
Next question.
Puducherry Union Territory, Congress and DMK are going some issues now. In Tamil Nadu, Congress, DMK.
We are having a very good relationship with the DMK. We have full respect of Mr. Karunanidhi, full respect of Stalinji, and we have full faith in the alliance. Yeah. So I want to say something. It's an honor and a pleasure for me to come here. I enjoy coming to Tamil Nadu. The aim of the alliance is to stop the RSS ideology from coming into Tamil Nadu. Mr. Narendra Modi has the remote control with which he is controlling the government of Tamil Nadu. We are going to take out the batteries of the remote control and throw it away. Thank you.
जब हमने HW न्यूज नेटवर्क की नींव डाली थी, तब हमने ये ठाना था कि न्यूज और इंफॉर्मेशन ये लोगों तक फ्री पहुंचनी चाहिए, मुफ्त पहुंचनी चाहिए, और हम आज भी ये वचन पर कायम हैं। पर जैसे आपको मालूम है, न्यूज चैनल चलाने के लिए पैसों की जरूरत है, तो हमको सबको न्यूज फ्री पहुंचाने के लिए कुछ मेंबर्स और कुछ सपोर्टर्स की जरूरत है।
जी हां, मेरी आप सबसे गुजारिश कि आप सब HW न्यूज हिंदी की मेंबरशिप को ग्रहण करें। ये सदस्यता स्वैच्छिक है, यानी कि आप अपनी मर्जी के मुताबिक इसे ग्रहण कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आप इसे ग्रहण नहीं भी करते तब भी आपको HW न्यूज हिंदी के तमाम कार्यक्रम मिलते रहेंगे। मगर अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आजाद न्यूज जो है वो मजबूत हो, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि वो न्यूज जो सत्ता से सवाल पूछती है वो मजबूत हो, तो जरूर बने HW न्यूज हिंदी के सदस्य।
जो लोग हमारे 89 रुपए प्रति महीने वाले कार्यक्रम से जुड़ेंगे, उनके लिए HW न्यूज का बैच विश मिलेगा। साथ ही साथ उन लोगों को हमारे एक्सक्लूसिव पोल्स में भी शामिल होने का मौका मिलेगा। इसके अलावा हमारा जो दूसरा मेंबरशिप कार्यक्रम है वो 199 रुपीस प्रति महीने का है, यानी कि 199 रुपए प्रति महीने। और इस प्रोग्राम में हमारे जो मेंबर्स हैं उन्हें 99 रुपए के प्रोग्राम वाले सभी चीजें तो मिलेंगी। इसके अलावा बिजनेस से जुड़ी हुई बातें भी हम करेंगे। हमारे एक्सपर्ट अखिलेश भार्गव से आप बिजनेस से जुड़े हुए अपने सवाल भी पूछ सकते हैं। हम उम्मीद करेंगे कि आप इस निष्पक्ष पत्रकारिता की राह में हमें पूरी तरह से योगदान देंगे।